Woman claims a man named Alan Pendergrass defrauded her out of a home she bought for her mother to live in.
Pendergrass denies it, and while the two battle it out in civil court, our I-team found Pendergrass is slated to go on trial in federal court on criminal charges of fraud. Senior I-team reporter Dale Russell has the latest.
Sometimes it can seem as if Alan Pendergrass is doing something different all over town, as you can see on his Facebook page, working, dining out, worshiping, and celebrating. But in a local lawsuit, this woman claims that it all adds up to one thing: theft.
He signed my deed and transferred over my deed without me knowing.
Krayla Brice is talking about this house, 1045 Lawton Avenue in southwest Atlanta. The deed states she bought it in 2012. She said she wanted her mother to have a place to live after her mother was badly injured in an auto accident.
She used some of the money from her accident to help me renovate.
At some point, her mother, seen in some of these pictures, developed an intimate relationship with Alan Pendergrass. He admitted it in his answer to the lawsuit. Krayla Brice knew her mother was dating someone named Alan Pendergrass, and she knew he was teaching her mother about tax liens and convinced her to become a business partner in a notary public.
Did you know anything at all about his background?
No.
Here's what Krayla Brice didn't know. In 2015, Alan Pendergrass pleaded guilty to 2 counts of bank fraud in Ohio. A federal judge sentenced him to 30 months in prison. And when he got out, he came here to Atlanta and met Krayla Brice's mother. Krayla Brice contends in a lawsuit that after Alan Pendergrass returned to Atlanta, he forged her signature on a deed and sold her home to a company called Georgia Property Tax Solutions. Pendergrass's daughter, Ashley Hayes, is a registered agent of the company, according to the lawsuit, and she's a defendant in the case.
Honestly, when I found out, I just couldn't go to sleep. I just kept Googling and finding out more and more and more stuff because I was just so shocked.
She claims in the suit Pendergrass tricked her mother into signing off on the deal. How? The suit claims Pendergrass had Krayla Brice's mother practice signing documents with her new notary stamp. The suit contends Pendergrass took one of those notarized but practiced documents and forged Krayla Brice's signature on it to make it look like she had sold her home.
That was not my signature. Like, there was no way. My handwriting is totally different.
Pendergrass countersued, claiming Krayla Brice's mother purchased the Lawton Street home and put the deed in her daughter Krayla Brice's name. Pendergrass claims that the mother had authority to sell the property to him.
My mom's never had power of attorney. My mom's never had the right to sell my house.
Krayla Brice is not alone. The owner of this home in Atlanta also sued Georgia Property Tax Solutions and Alan Pendergrass. One accusation in the suit: Pendergrass has a history of defrauding senior citizens out of their homes. Pendergrass denied the charges in his answer to the lawsuit. But there's more. While Alan Pendergrass is battling over allegations in civil court that he defrauded homeowners, he's set to go on trial in federal court on new criminal charges of aggravated identity theft and mail fraud. The U.S. attorney described the alleged scheme, claiming Pendergrass and a co-defendant mailed forged power of attorney forms to the city of Atlanta and fraudulently claimed over $100,000 owed to local businesses and residents. Those forms included forged signatures.
You've got someone who's under investigation in a criminal case and might also be the subject of a lawsuit. That's not uncommon at all.
Jeff Brickman is a former DeKalb County District Attorney and Assistant Federal Prosecutor. He says Pendergrass's situation is often seen by prosecutors, and he was not surprised when he examined the court records.
From what I've read of the priors and the conduct for which he's charged now is that the schemes were similar. And that's why that kind of evidence is so powerful.
You mad?
I'm upset. Like, I'm mad, I'm upset, I'm sad. I was crying earlier.
Krayla Brice just wants it over with, and she wants her home back for her mother to live in.
I just woke up one day and now your house isn't your house. Like, what else isn't mine? Like, what else are these people doing out here?
We reached out to Alan Pendergrass through his family for comment. We didn't hear back from him. His lawyer says Krayla Brice's lawsuit is frivolous, and she plans to file a motion to have it dismissed. Dale Russell, Fox 5 News.